been asking how I get my mannequin head to sit on a chair without falling while I tie gele. So today I'm going to be showing you how I customize my mannequin head so that it is heavy enough to sit on a chair. The first thing I'm going to do is to open up the bottom of the mannequin. You can see me using a screwdriver to unscrew it so that I can open it up.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but
so this is what it looks like. I have opened it up. The next thing I'm going to do is to mix my cement. So I'm going to use water to mix my cement to not too thick and then not watery, okay? So the quantity of cement you use is determined by how heavy you want your mannequin head to be. So if you want it very heavy, you can add more cement, but for me this is just fine. So I'm going to add a little bit of water and then mix it into a paste. I'm just doing my DIY thing, alright? I don't have the professional tools for this, so you can see I'm just using a regular tray and a spatula from my kitchen. The next thing we're going to do is to fill the mannequin with the cement that we just mixed. Alright, so I realized that the spatula I was using was too big, so I decided to make a funnel out of bottled water. Alright, so I'm using that to just pour the cement into the mannequin. Me, I'm Bako, so for those of you that are the butter, please wear a glove. For me, it won't do anything to me. After I'm done, I'm going to wash my hand properly, and that's that. So if you are allergic to this, or you feel it's going to do anything to you, or you don't want to get dirty, you can wear a glove while you're doing this. So I was just checking the weight of the mannequin to see if I needed to add more. So I ended up putting all that cement that I mixed in. So now I'm just cleaning my mannequin up. You don't want that cement to dry on the body. It's going to look messy and it's not going to come off easily. So I wipe my mannequin clean and then I put back the cover and screw it. That's basically that. It's really that simple. It's not hard at all.
so cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind.
After covering the mannequin, you want to give it a good shake so that all the cement settles down, okay? You don't want the cement to go to the head, so then you set it aside until it dries. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Until I see you next time, stay safe and stay blessed.